Let's check the final output after I fixed a couple of errors. Now let's execute the Python file. What is Voice AI Assistant in a single line? And here we got the final output. And notice this Voice AI Assistant is working perfectly. This is the command I have given through my mic. My voice is recorded and it's converted into a text and it displays the answer. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this AI tutorial series, using Python coding with OpenAI API Key, how to create a ChatGPT like a voice AI assistant. So let's start the tutorial. If you notice, I have just logged into my OpenAI platform and this is my API key I have created. Just for the time saving, I have not showing how to create a API key in OpenAI because I have many times I have showed in my previous videos. After I created my OpenAI key, switch over to Visual Studio. Now this is my Visual Studio code and I have opened.env file and one Python file which is the file name freevoice-to-text.py which is empty right now. And these two files I have created in my allgo folder. Now in the main coding part, the first thing we need to install some packages. Those packages I already installed because I have a blog. In that blog I have mentioned what kind of packages must be installed before writing this coding part. And the blog link will be available in the description and as well as the comment section. Now let's start the coding part. The packages we need to import sounddevice. Notice here the intelligence is showing already the packages, class names and everything as SD. And the second package I require the wave. And the third one import speech recognition as SR from OpenAI import. We need to import OpenAI. Then import operating system also, OS. And the last one, we need to add the .env file or API key. So for that, from .env import load_.env. These 6 packages we require to install before writing this coding part. This is my blog. All the real coding explanation is available in this blog content. Notice here this is a ChatGPT like voice assistant which I am showing in this video tutorial. The complete coding part is available. The packages, the API key how to create, and this is the complete coding part. Let's switch over to the video tutorial and I will explain each and everything why these packages, how it will work on this project. First we need to load the .env file because our API key is in the env folder. So switch over, load API, load_.env, override is equals to true. Override property takes that boolean property. So I'm adding true, which is useful. It overrides our previous API keys. Then client is equals to OpenAI. Here API_key is equals to os.getEnv. GetEnv is a string parameter, takes the string parameters. So I'm adding double string. Now in this between double string, I am adding my API key, which is this one, Open API key. The key name I'm adding, not the whole API key, which is the best part. I am not exposing my API key, which is the safest method. Then after adding the API key, first we need to record our voice because it's a voice AI assistant. Now first we need to record our voice. For that I'm using print. First speak now. Speak now is a command. When this file executes, it will prompt with the first message speak now. Then fs is equals to 44,100. Audio is equals to sd dot. What is this sd? Which comes from sound devices. This sd I'm recording my voice. Int 5 into fs sample rate. Notice here I'm getting the properties. Sample rate fs. Now channels. See the channels here. Channels is equals to 1 and data type is equals to int 16. Then we need to wait. After record my voice, I need to save that recorded voice. So I'm using wave class here with wave dot open voice dot wav. I'm writing wb as f. I'm saving this my recorded voice. After adding my voice, I'm recording those voice channels 1 f dot sets amp width 2 f dot frame rate also required. Set frame rate is fs. F dot write frame race. These 4 functions we need to add. Audio dot 2 bytes. So again I'm telling, first we need to speak, then that voice it will record. Now that recorded voice we need to convert into a speech to text. R is equals to sr dot. What is sr here? Which is a speech recognition. Sr dot recognizer function. Now after that, with condition, with sr dot audio file. What audio file we have to add here? This audio file as source. So first I'm speaking the voice, that voice I'm recording, and that recorded voice I'm converting into a text format. As source, data is equals to r dot record function, record method. Then let's add the try condition. Let's minimize this side. Try text is equals to r dot recognize recognize underscore Google data. Then I need to print whatever the voice I have added, that will print as a text. So my voice, so you this text comma text, then that text we need to send our API through model. So response is equals to client is equal client dot chat dot compulsions dot create function. In the create function, notice here there is a model here. I'm adding model is equals to what model? GPT 4o mini, this one, comma messages is equals to, between square brackets, curly brackets, I am adding role colon user comma, and also I need content. This is comma content. What content? This text content I want to display. That's it. Now print. I want to print the output from the AI. Response dot choices 0 dot message dot content. So when we are using try, we need to expect exception as e colon print. If any errors, I want to get error comma e. First, let's save this file. We check the output. Go to view, click terminal. Let's clear this previous commands. Python text.py. Enter. Here it's showing syntax error expected expect. Here I'm adding expect or file bar. Something is missing. Try block. It's a spelling mistake. Sorry for that. Recognize. Recognized by Google. Okay. We'll check again. And here also spelling mistake. Expect. Let's check again. Save. Here I have written the spelling mistake and here also. Let's clear CLS. And notice here it's working very well. Speak now. And I got the terminated. It's terminated after 5 seconds. Because in my code I have written it only accepts 5 seconds. Record only 5 seconds. So let's write again. Clear. And finally, after a couple of fixes, errors, now we'll check the final output. What is AI assistant in single line? Oh, here missing one required optional source. We need to call this source here. Let's check the final output after I fixed a couple of errors. What is voice AI assistant in single line? This response. Let's save this file. So nearly it took me the spelling mistakes I have done and I have not called this source file in the record method. Now let's check the final output. Let's clear everything, the previous commands. Now let's execute the Python file. What is voice AI assistant in a single line? And here we got the final output. And notice this voice AI assistant is working perfectly. This is the command I have given through my mic. My voice is recorded and it's converted into a text and it displays the answer. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks, we'll catch you in my next video tutorial.